Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can stream on TikTok on PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to the source bar that will be in the taskbar in the bottom side. Just click on the source bar and type for the TikTok and just press enter. It is available in both Microsoft Store as well as the App Store. And when you are inside the TikTok, just see at the left side of the screen. In the left side of the screen, there will be a live option. You can just click on the live option and the lives will be shown to you. So when you see in the top, there are various live topics that is currently ongoing, and you can also go live and stream on TikTok. But firstly, you have minimum of 1,000 followers in your TikTok account, and when you have exceeded that margin, then you will be able to go live and you will be able to stream on TikTok. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.